Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Rice Purity Test website. The Rice Purity Test is a self-grade survey that measures how pure or innocent you are in different aspects of life. The test has been popular among college students and young adults for many years. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps of using the website to take the test. Step 1. Access the Rice Purity Test website. The first step is to access the Rice Purity Test website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing Rice Purity Test in the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be taken to the home page of the website. Step 2. Read the instructions on the home page of the website. You'll see some instructions about the test. Read them carefully to understand how the test works. The instructions will tell you that the test consists of 100 questions and that you have to answer each question honestly. Step 3. Start the test after you've read the instructions. Click on the Start Test button to begin the test. The first question will be displayed on the screen, and you'll have to choose the most appropriate answer from the given option. After you've answered the first question, click on the Next button to move to the next question. Step 4. Answer all questions. Continue answering the questions one by one until you've answered all 100 questions. Remember to answer each question truthfully, as the purpose of the test is to measure your level of innocence. Step 5. Submit your answers once you've answered all the questions. Click on the Submit button to submit your answers. The website will calculate your score and display it on the screen. Your score will range from 0 to 100, with 0 being the least innocent and 100 being the most innocent. Congratulations! You've successfully taken the Rice Purity Test on the website. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Remember, the test is just for fun and shouldn't be taken too seriously. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.